Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic.
Turn your magic on to me, he'd say. Everything you want, so dream away. Oh, we are legends every day. That's what he told me. Turn your magic on to me, he'd say.
When you think Sydney, Australia, you immediately picture the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Sydney Opera House. But there's more to just these famous landmark attractions. And in this episode of Come Fly With Me, I show you why Sydney is a great Fiji Airways destination for fashion and shopping. And as they say in Australia, good day mate, welcome aboard Fiji Airways. Sit back, relax and enjoy your home in the sky. Sydney is a coastal metropolis with over 5 million residents that is often referred to as Sydneysiders. Famous attractions of the city such as the Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge is perched on the edge and above the glittering harbour, which endorses the city's nickname as the Emerald City. Fiji Airways flies twice a day from Nadi and twice a week from Suva in under 4 hours, which will give you more than enough time and energy once arriving to begin exploring what Australia's largest city has on offer.
I feel my heart beating. Oh, you make me feel like I'm alive again.
When visiting Sydney, you can choose to stay at the Central Railway Hotel. For around 250 Fijian dollars a night twin share, you are in walking distance to Sydney's CBD, as the hotel is located just 1.3 kilometers away and, as the name suggests, is located a stone throw away from the Central Railway Station, the transport hub of Sydney. Now, if you love fashion, then you must visit Carriageworks. Now, this is the home of Australian Fashion Week and Pacific Runway, and is the largest and most significant contemporary multi-art centre of its kind right here in Australia. The first time I visited Sydney was in 2008 and immediately fell in love with its colourful culture, fashion and shopping attractions. For one of the best places to shop in Sydney, visit the Queen Victoria Building or QVB, a beautiful landmark in the heart of Sydney. It's rare to find a destination that fulfills the desires of shopaholics, architectural enthusiasts and history buffs, and the QVB serves up just that. With 6 levels of shops, cafes and restaurants spanning over a city block, you're bound to find something you want at the QVB.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some
Now it is common knowledge that Sydney is the largest city in Australia. And while it might be jam-packed with lots of tourist attractions, the city also has its fair share of markets that are laid back. And if you're after cheap and affordable fashion and accessories, then this is where you need to be. Located beneath the Sydney Harbour Bridge with views of the sparkling harbour is the Rocks Market. The market has over 100 stalls that sell a great range of handmade goods from fashion, jewelry, art, sweets and artisan chocolates.
Now this is probably one of the oldest markets in Sydney, which has opened every Saturday since it began in 1973. The Paddington Markets has over 150 unique stalls which sells fashion, jewelry and accessories from some of the designers in Sydney and surrounding regions.
This Paddington Market is passionate about supporting local businesses, designers and artists, and you will find good quality and sustainable products. This is the perfect place to go to find authentic, locally designed and produced creations. Sydney's Paddy's Market is located south of the CBD. Here you will find lots of men's and women's fashion, including accessories.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic...
Now when you visit Sydney, you must visit Luna Park. The entry is free, but the rides and games isn't. And with an entrance like that, it would certainly make for some great snaps and fashionable Instagram moments.
One of Sydney's most popular late-night shopping hotspots that showcases local designers, delicious Asian street food and unique products to locals and tourists is Chinatown's famous Friday night markets. The markets reflect culture, creativity and energy of Sydney's thriving Chinatown precinct. And if you're after a taste of some of Sydney's famous seafood options, head to Barbecue Grill at the Sydney Fish Market and enjoy a tasty meal by choosing from an impressive selection of tasty seafood.
Everything you want, so dream away.
Sydney is truly an amazing city. What I love most about this city is discovering great shopping and attractions around almost every corner. Sydney truly lives up to its nickname as the Emerald City because of the great selection of shopping gemstones.
Everything you want is a dream away. Under this pressure, under this weight, we are diamonds. I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart.
Come fly with me to Sydney. For flight specials, visit www.fijiairways.com. Stay at Central Railway Hotel for $250 Fijian per night twin share. To explore some of Sydney's shopping attractions, taxis from the Central Railway Hotel to the Opera House will cost you around 27 Fijian dollars. To George Street, 21 Fijian dollars. To Carriage Works, the home of Australian Fashion Week, 33 Fijian dollars. To the Sydney Fish Market, 22 Fijian dollars. To Chinatown, 21 Fijian dollars. To the Rock Market, 40 Fijian dollars. And to Paddington Markets, 30 Fijian dollars. A meal at the Sydney Fish Markets begins from around 25 Fijian dollars. Fijian passport holders need a tourist visa for Australia. For more information, visit www.ttaustralia.com.
I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart beneath my skin.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land, there's a one-man band and he'll toot his flute for you. Come fly with me, let's take off in the blue. Once I get you up